In this video, you'll learn how to remove your profile picture on X, formerly Twitter. A profile picture is the image that represents you on the platform. Sometimes you may want to remove it for privacy reasons or simply to change your look. Whatever the reason, I'll guide you step by step. First, open the X or Twitter app on your device. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on Profile. Here you'll see all your details, including your current profile picture. Next, tap on Edit Profile. This is where things get a little tricky. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct option within the app to completely remove your profile picture. So exit the X or Twitter app and open any web browser of your choice. In the search bar, type default profile picture and hit search. Tap on the first image result. This is usually from Wikipedia Commons. This image represents a generic default avatar used by many platforms. Now, save this default profile picture image to your device. After that, head back to the X or Twitter app. Tap on your current profile picture to change it. Then select the default profile picture you just downloaded. This step is key to replacing your existing photo. Once selected, tap Apply, then tap Done at the top right corner. Finally, don't forget to tap Save again at the top right corner. And that's it. You've successfully removed your custom profile picture on X and replaced it with a default one. Thanks for watching.